Are you interested in learning how elite advisors run their business? We've done 4 years of research on this topic and have come out with a 7-part model that helps explain how these businesses are a little different. Everything from their business development efforts, to client loyalty, to practice management, to having balance in their life.
And this isn't a bunch of 30,000-foot standard cliches. We get into specifics of what these elite advisors actually do. How they master relationship management with their affluent clients, how they uncover connections and penetrate their spheres of influence and get personal introductions. And we teach the 5 variations of the exact scripts they use for these introductions.
We'll teach you how to have Ritz-Carlton service with FedEx efficiency for your clients through 2 simple service models that drive the right behavior in your business.
We also know how they involve both spouses when they socialize. They mix business with pleasure, and they connect with both spouses.
And we have 25 coaches. We coach a lot of elite advisors, so we're under the hood. So we not only have the research, we have the stories, the hands-on experience that's going to bring this to life.
7 components. That's what it takes to become an elite advisor. And we're going to walk you through this step by step.